Unit testing Angular 4, ensuring code in quality. Unit testing your Angular 4 code checks that components and functions work as expected. It helps you catch bugs early in development. It makes your app easier to maintain. Tests ensure that updates and refactoring don't introduce new issues. Also, unit tests improve code quality and reliability. They ensure your app will perform well in different conditions. Unit testing in Angular 4 helps create a more reliable code base. It detects issues before they reach production. This reduces the chances of critical bugs slipping through. It also speeds up the development cycle, as automated tests can quickly verify changes without the need for manual testing. Unit tests encourage modular design. This makes your code easier to understand and modify. It also improves scalability and long-term maintenance of the app. How to write unit tests in Angular 4. Writing unit tests in Angular 4 ensures that individual components, services, and modules function correctly in isolation. By using the Angular testing framework, along with Jasmine and Karma, developers can create and run test cases to validate the behavior of their code. This not only improves code reliability but also makes debugging easier by catching issues early in development. Set up your testing environment. Install the necessary testing dependencies using npm, such as Jasmine and Karma, which are commonly used for writing and running unit tests in Angular applications. Create test spec files. In your Angular 4 project, create spec files for each component or service that you want to test. These spec files will contain the actual unit tests for your code. Refactor and improve. Use the feedback from your unit tests to refactor and improve your code. Better unit tests can find areas for improvement. They will ensure your code is reliable and well tested. Conclusion. In conclusion, unit testing in Angular 4 is a great way to ensure code quality. It helps make your apps more reliable,